What are you doing? Is that your present? Yeah. Get that present. Get it.
What are you doing?
Unwrap it. Unwrap it. What's in there? What's in there? What's in there? Get it. Did mommy? How much tape did mommy put on it? Don't eat that. Oh, you almost got it. Come on. I know, it's frustrating. Keegan. No, don't grab the tree. Hey. Let's stay focused. Hey, Keegan. What's in there? What's in there? Let go of the tree. There you go. Tear it, yeah. Tear it. What's in there? Oh, yeah. Good job, Keegan. Tear the rest. Honey, help her. Keegan. No. Don't pull the tree. Honey, Keegan. Yeah, there. What's in there? No. You're present. Keegan. What is that thing? What is that thing? Yeah, let's take this off. Yeah, what is that? Oh. What is that, your first basketball? Oh, don't drop it. Hey. Oh, I just want the tree. Damn it. Here. Keegan. No. Don't play with it. Damn it, so much for the basketball. Keegan. Here. What is that? Oh, you dropped it again. Here. Hey. What is that thing? Oh, no. Not the tree. Keegan. The basketball. What's it? Hey, it's your first basketball. Hey, oh, there you go. Got it? Yay, I got it. No, I want the tree. No, I want basketball. Get it. Get the tree. No, your basketball. Okay, that.